Good morning, it's Friday, the last day of school, and this is a vlog.
9.
The Tri-Cities and even around York, Aurora.
And the rain continues. You gonna spend all my money today?
Okay.
Hmm?
What's this?
This? Oh, that's some of the lining on the car. That's good. Just don't.
And she.
What you got there, Izzy? Can you show me?
And he's a he.
What'd you get? You got the panda one?
Yeah.
You got the panda bear one.
I got this. You got a tiger.
Good one.
Show Uncle Mark you got the tiger. I got the tiger. I got a tiger.
Here, let me see the panda. Oh, you got this one? Oh, if I remember their names. Oh, the tigress.
Tigress.
That's her name, is Tigress.
Look at the tigress. Tigress means she's a female tiger.
No, I took her over there.
Oh,
Yeah?
no, you're not
Oh,
going
the
to get
Juju pet. Juju pet.
You pet.
You can look
pet.
The hamster. Juju hamster. Which one do you have there? What did you say? Juju hamster. That's the little stuffed pet. And they
No,
make
you're not going to open.
Jen,
That's not for
Jen,
you.
they make cars for it.
Oh, God.
A little motorcycle one there too. Like a baby stroller one too. Where's Zara go?
Right there. She said she wants a kitty cat.
You want a kitty cat?
But I want this. Mark, this one right here. I love this. It's so beautiful.
You silly.
You know?
I think I just found my new intro. Somebody's fussy. Are you fussy?
No.
Gee, do we got enough stuff today, huh? What are you doing?
Play with my baby.
Oh, you playing with your baby, huh?
My baby doll.
Are you kicking the baby?
No.
Good. Mm-hmm. You find your earrings or your ears gonna fall off your head. What do you think of that?
You have money?
Oh, of course I do. Otherwise we wouldn't be here. Okay?
Money? For me?
For you? Why? What did you do to earn it, huh?
I can't find it.
Well, this looks like it's gonna be fun. Got cones up and everything, and kids keep getting. Oh, that's right. They probably did like first grade graduation or kindergarten. I thought they did kindergarten yesterday. I don't know, but there's a lot more people out a lot earlier. So I don't think I'm late because it's just after 3. That's when I'm supposed to pick them up usually. So let's hope I'm not late, huh? Here. Oh, Jeffy, find the books. What book are you looking for? What book are you looking for? I think it's back this way, Jeffrey. Back this way. Okay, let's look over here on the shelves. Okay, what's the name of the book? I think we all know it's Chicka Chicka Boom Boom or 1 1 2 3. I think he found it. That's Boom Boom. You already have that one, Jeffrey. You already have like 2 or 3 of those. Okay, sit down and read it. Okay.
A B and B to C. Oh, no.
What? No? No, you don't want this one?
What's this?
Oh, what is that one?
That one.
That one's an audio book. Someone reads it to you. Reads it to you. Okay, here.
CHUCKECHEESES.
Apostrophe S.
Okay, come on.
Say apostrophe.
And go to mouse, go to squeaky ball,
Hold the camera up.
squeaky ball,
Ski ball, yes. Hold
Okay.
the camera up. Hold it up.
mouse, see Chucky's music. The red door open,
Okay, go ahead.
off,
Okay.
off,
On,
Alan. Camera,
Hi, welcome to Jesus.
mouse,
May I see your hand, please?
Jeffrey, hands. Hands.
Yes, I'll bring something there.
okay.
Come here. Come here. Come on. Let's go. What you got there? What you gonna play? Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Hey, buddy. What you got? Oh, okay. Basketball. Good shot. Stand back. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Come on. Try harder. 15 points. Not bad. Not bad at all. Pick it up. I'm gonna have my cup.
And they took a big chunk like that big.
Yeah. Where'd Jeffrey go?
I don't know.
Oh, that's great. We're cooking outside. Hey, Jeffrey, do you have a good time? Jeffrey, good time? Fun? Didn't quite get as many tickets as you did last time. Yeah, he had like what, 300 last time? Yeah. Oh, but Jeffrey had fun, didn't you?
Didn't you have fun, Jeffrey? I'm just getting tired of Zara grabbing on.
Camera? Okay, well, what are we gonna do?
Hi V.
High V, and hold the camera up. Hold the camera up so everybody can see what you're
Wait. Hi Vicky. Hi Vicky.
Hi, Vicky. Hi, V.
On the high V.
doing.
See orange thing.
Hold
Pumpkin.
the camera up.
Red. Oh, nice red cart.
Hold the camera up.
On the 2 doors. Go to the door. 2 doors. 2. Hi V. Echo. Oh, this is a red card.
No, just get a handbasket. Get a handbasket, Jeffrey. Handbasket. Okay.
Oh, no.
That's a help.
Where dog basketballs 14 1-4 go here.
Go over here. Oh, they got a dog. They got dogs and cat toys over here, and some of them look like a basketball. You can show it to me, but that's it. Which one?
Dog
Which one? That's That's a zoink.
You can get one for Jesse.
Which one are you talking about? Time to go find Jeffrey's vanilla cookies, right?
Right. Next time when we go to Hank's,
cookies.
we'll get a W treat for Bruce, okay?
Chocolate.
No chocolates.
Yeah.
We'll get vanilla.
Vanilla.
See ya.
See, yuck?
Four for $10.
No. I went in the wrong aisle. Darn it. I turned one aisle too soon. There you go.
Big old chocolate.
Okay, let's turn around.
Wiggle.
Oh, they got gummy bears. Gummy bears. Right over here. No, there's some potato chips.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Cookie.
Yeah. Smash it into the shit. You don't have problems with loitering.
For that flat car. You see how the car?
You're already in the van. They're probably drunk already. Ambulance.
There's an ambulance, Jeffrey. Over here.